Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you some English alternated words. What can you say instead of how are you? How are things going? How's it going? How have you been? What's going on? What's new? And what's up? What can you say instead of I'm fine? I'm doing well. I'm good. Not bad. Nothing much. Pretty good. As good as I can be. Better than fantastic. What can you say instead of very nice? Amazing. Fantastic. Incredible. Phenomenal. And lovely. What can you say instead of okay? Aye. Roger that. Okie dokie. Righto. And sounds good. What can you say instead of I think? In all honesty, in my opinion, if you ask me, sounds good. To me, I believe, I say. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.